Okay, we're giving a cubic curve. Okay, this time I worked it out because I didn't have enough time to post it. So here's the cubic. To sketch it, we have to find the slope to find where it's positive and negative. So the slope curve looks like this. Okay, that becomes minus 12, 18x, and minus 6x squared. Set it equal to 0 and solve for x. Too many negatives. Okay, here I have too many negatives. Let's take the negative sign out. That becomes positive, that becomes negative, that becomes positive. Okay, if you remove the brackets, I'll get this. Factor x minus 2x minus 1. When x is 2, that'll go to 0. When x is 1, that'll go to 0. Therefore, the slope will be 0 at 1 and 2. Okay, so here the slope is 0 at 1 and 2. Now to the left of 1, let's try 0. Okay, so if I put 0 in here, this is negative. If I put 0, that's negative 2. If I put 0, that's negative 1. 3 negatives make it a negative sign. So the curve is going to be negative going this way. What happens between 1 and 2? Let's put 1.5. Okay, so the sign will be negative. 1.5 will make this negative. 1.5 will make this positive. 2 negatives will make it positive. So the curve goes this way. It's going to be positive. Let's go to the right of 2. Let's put 3. So here we go again. 3 is going to be, that's negative. 3 minus 2 is positive. 3 minus 1 is positive. 1 negative, it stays negative. It's concave down. So the curve is going to go like this, which I show it over here. Now, let's take the second derivative, okay, which is we're going to take the derivative of this thing over here, okay, which is going to become minus 2x plus 3, that goes to 0. Here it is. Set it equal to 0, solve for x. Make this positive, divide by 2. So when x is 3/2, which is between those two, is the point of inflection. It's the turning point. So here it's concave up. At this point, it's the turning point, point of inflection. Then it becomes concave down. This becomes a local max. This becomes a local minimum.